In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can enable captions on your Reels every time you want to upload. You can simply turn on auto-generated caption on your Instagram videos in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Instagram. On this page, you will have to scroll down onto the very last option of Advanced Settings. On this page, scroll down onto the option of Show Captions. Make sure to enable this option. When turned on, your Instagram Reels will always have auto-generated captions on it. That's how easy it is to add captions to your Reels before uploading them to Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.